Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Western Union money to your bank account. So it is very easy to do. So first thing you need to do is simply create an account on Western Union and then simply click on this send money option. Once you do that, from here what you need to do is simply select the receiver country. So I will select United States and from here simply select enter the enter the amount you want to send to your receiver. So I will enter 100. After this simply you can choose how does your receiver want to money. So if he want cash pickup or bank account, so simply click on bank account and after this simply select the option how would you like to pay. So you can simply pay online or you can simply pay from cash in store. So after you do that, simply what you need to do is simply click on this continue button and after this simply enter your receiver details and receiver's bank account information and click on this continue button. So once you do that, you will receive your money in your bank account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video.